Are you looking for a car dealership, automotive, or any type of car website for your business? Or a multi-page, retail, gallery, blog, or CMS website for your car business? Introducing TNC CarHub, the best Webflow car business template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNocde.com. Here, you need to search TNC CarHub. Take a look at our TNC CarHub template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC CarHub. TNC CarHub combines style and functionality to provide a top-notch solution for anyone looking to make a mark in the online car sales space. Present your services with a professional, high-quality website that showcases your expertise and impresses your customers. This Webflow template contains all the pages, sections and elements that a car website should have. TNC CarHub e-commerce comes with a powerful CMS that allows for easy management of inventory, vehicle details, and images. This template has modern, trendy, and fully responsive design and looks great on all devices from desktop to smartphone. Showcase various vehicles, from brand new models to pre-loved gems, each with comprehensive details and high-quality images. Enable customers to effortlessly navigate through your listings and find their dream car with ease. With advanced filtering options, users can narrow their search based on criteria such as make, model, year, and more, enabling them to find their dream car quickly and efficiently. Now, let's see how to use TNC CarHub. This is our template, TNC CarHub. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on nav bar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here, I replaced this nav link name from About Us with Our Cars. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection, or URL. Then, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNocde LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button, and it shows all the options for edit this button. Have a look. Here I changed the button name from Buy This Car to Click Here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type, or URL. You can easily change, edit, add, or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. Here, you will find our news section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add, or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can change each footer paragraph or text easily by selecting the specific element. You can edit or change each footer link or anything as per your requirements. You can easily replace all of this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. So, you can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template as per your needs, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow car template, get TNC CarHub. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNocde.com.